Well, we're going to see at least one veteran of the 389th Bomb Group. We're going to see lots of supporters of that group who've worked on the restoration of these buildings, creation of the museum, and quite a number of locals who are very interested in what happened here all those years ago.
The 389th Bomb Group of the 2nd Air Division of the 8th United States Army Air Force flew B24 Liberators from their base in Hethel, England, to bomb the German enemy in Europe and North Africa in World War II. Fred Squires, a boy who grew up near Hethel, and fellow historians welcome back Allan Hallett, a tail gunner with the 389th, to his former air base that they have turned into a museum. They have also welcomed an American airman of today.
My name is Captain Pelenato Togoia. I'm currently stationed at RAF Lakenheath, and I'm assigned to the 48th Maintenance Group, 40th Component Maintenance Squadron.
You get the first three, and we'll be lined up here.
Standards! Standards! Shut! Standards or carry standards! Carry! Standards! Standards! By the left! Quick! March! Standards! Oh! Too late. Right! Turn! Standards. Order! Standards! Parade! Standards! Ice! Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to Hethel. We are gathered here today on the 100th anniversary of the ending of World War I in an act of remembrance. To not only remember the millions of men that perished in the Great War, but also the men that lost their lives during the Second World War. In particular, the American airmen of the 389 Bomb Group of the United States Army 8th Air Force, who flew from this very airfield in World War II. The 389 Bomb Group were equipped with B24 Liberator bombers, and they arrived here at Hethel in mid-June 1943. They flew 321 missions, some from airfields in Libya, North Africa, including the famous Bomb Group mission on the Pelenato oil refineries in Romania. On August the 1st, 1943, there were one of the pilots, Lieutenant Lloyd Hughes, gained America's highest award for gallantry, the Medal of Honor. This is equivalent to Britain's Victoria Cross. By the time the 389 Bomb Group left Hethel in May 1945, the group had lost 153 aircraft. Some 508 personnel had been killed in action and in training accidents. We have with us today one of the 389 Bomb Group own veterans, Allan Hallett, who will lay a wreath in tribute to his comrades. We welcome him, who was better known as the baby, and his daughters and fellow Americans with open arms. We thank Allan for his service. We would also like to remember Tim Hewlett, Brian Skinner, and Albert Palmer, who were involved in creating this living memorial to the 389 Bomb Group. We remember them always. It is also definitely my privilege and pleasure to thank the team, and I will call it the team, who worked hours, days, weeks and years to continue to make this such a lovely place of remembrance. And we thank them all for their very, very hard work.
The reading of major battles in World War I, estimates of deaths and missing, presumed dead. Battle of Tamber.
182,000 dead or missing, presumed dead.
Battle of Arras.
473,000 dead or missing, presumed dead.
The Gallipoli Campaign.
483,000 dead or missing, presumed dead.
The First Battle of Marne.
483,000 dead or missing, presumed dead.
The Serbian Campaign.
633,500 dead or missing, presumed dead.
The Battle of Passchendaele.
848,614 dead or missing, presumed dead.
The Battle of Vernon.
976,000 dead or missing, presumed dead.
Battle of the Somme.
1,290,201 dead, missing, presumed dead.
The Spring Offence.
1,539,715 dead, presumed missing.
100 Days of Offensive.
1,855,369 dead, missing, presumed dead. Total civilians, not including the post-war influenza epidemic, between 7,661,099 or 8,330,099 dead, missing, presumed dead. Total military and civilians between 16,234,153 to 19,174,335 dead, missing, presumed dead.
In Flanders Fields by John McCrae. In Flanders Fields the poppies blow, between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place. And in the sky the larks still bravely singing fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead. Short days ago we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders Fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe. To you from failing hands we throw the torch, be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders Fields.
Pride! Pride! Shot! Standards! Carry! Standards!
They grow not old, as we our left grow old. Age shall not wear them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
We will remember them.
Standards! Move to the right! Right! Turn! Right! Quick! March!
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank you all for coming today. I hope you've enjoyed our service. Please feel free to remain and stay and have a look round the museums, and there's some lovely cakes in there and lots of tea, and I believe there's a bottle of rum hid somewhere which I'm going to find. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you so
So what did it mean for you to be here today to lay the wreath with Mr. Hallett from the 93rd bomb, from the 389th Bomb Group?
It means a whole lot. This is it was a pleasure and an honor to be here and to meet Mr. Allan, who has served valiantly and faithfully for a good cause and for our country. And so it's such a great experience for me, and it has helped me to gain a better understanding, admiration for all of our veterans in the past and what they have done. So I'm truly grateful for the opportunity to be here beside Mr. Allan to lay a wreath of remembrance for all of our veterans and what they've done in the past. So,
what's inspired you most about the history of your Air Force? Did you see it here today, and have you heard about it over the years about the men that flew from and women who flew from these bases?
Yeah, what's inspired me the most is to continue to uphold those core values that we teach, instill in our airmen throughout the day. That's integrity, excellence, in all we do, and most importantly, it's to continue to carry on the legacy that these men and women have set before us. So.
What did it mean for you to be here today, Mr. Hallett, with the future generation of airmen?
Well, I just feel fortunate to be here. I mean, I'm at my age, not many travel. So I'm just really lucky to be here. So many of my friends and members of the 389th that aren't with us anymore, and and I miss them all. It's nice to meet one of today's airmen here because I know they're carrying on the same traditions that we did.
Absolutely.
Nice to meet you. Have a safe journey back.
Thank you
very much.
And hope to see you again.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
We're going to try to be up
Come
here
anytime,
Saturdays at 8:30.
Yeah, anytime.
Okay.
And you told them what happened to you in the war, didn't you?
What?
But the Germans were attacking you when you were a kid, didn't
Oh,
they?
yeah, that's
You did
Strike
tell-
men in
Yeah,
there.
they dropped. I was on the railway tunnel when they dropped the bomb. About 100 yards from where he was, and then he machine gunned the railway station. And all they could hear was a bish and bang.
Yeah.
And I couldn't see because I was underneath the railway, got away with it.
Well, they missed.
They
That's
definitely
good.
did. Yeah, and also,
It's good to have
I'll tell you
you.
one more thing I saw, is one Sunday morning after the D-Day had landed,
Yeah.
I was loving steam trains. There was two trains, two American engines pulling 16 carriages with a cross on the top of it. When it pulled up, they were your soldiers from Omaha, Utah, wounded.
Oh, no.
They came to here and they went to Morley Hospital. That was I see all that. They were the walking wounded.
Yeah.
They were the fortunate ones that
They made it back.
got back. So that's something I should never forget
Yeah.
as a boy.
Thank you for sharing it.
Yes. We
We'll
keep
always
this
remember
alive.
that.
Through my lieutenant who died on D-Day. He died on D-Day. He got in Normandy.
Yeah.
And he blew it up. I think someone said the supercharger would come in. And he couldn't get up. And that took a lot of violence, so we hung on to it. And she went down, the whole 10 perished. That was the only one we lost on D-Day. But I met him 4 times. I'd like to met him more, but that wouldn't have been with him.
Yeah.
So I've done that in memory of him as well.
Well, you're keeping their memory alive.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
It's a great pleasure to do it, I can assure you.
Yeah.
I'll keep from it, I'll keep working out all the while.
Okay.
I'll leave you in peace.
All right,
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks.